Kinetek is launching the third course in its Cinematography University, Practical Cinematography. This syllabus dives deep into the technology of the art and the practical skills you would need to work in the industry. Truly understand exposure and how to manipulate it. Understand all the tools needed to read and calculate it. Learn how to formulate an exposure without seeing it on a monitor, so you can balance exposures in your head as well as being able to work on film shoots. Truly understand depth of field, how to calculate it and control it. How to use settings and tools that allow you to capture on screen exactly the image you want. Learn to speed up your downtimes, the logistics of a movie set, and how to navigate your way through pre-shoot requirements. Discover some of the lighting techniques and systems used by experienced cinematographers to light and capture stunning images quickly and effectively. This syllabus comes with the latest downloadable version of Kinetek Icon, the light and camera plotting tool I use to draft all my lighting diagrams, with easy to understand tutorials on how to draft clear, precise and professional plots. Everything you would need to know to be a practical cinematographer.